Hi, this is the label maker we assembled. Let me show you what happened if I turn on the power here and the LED light up, but it's not displaying anything. If I press the joystick, click once, nothing happened. Also, the third LED is solid red, and now the fourth one is flashing. Also, we can hear something, and at the bottom you see the flashing lights. So now let's turn it off and look at the wiring. So this is how it's wired on this side, and then let's move to the other side. Okay, I'm not sure if we can see the underneath. So it's like that. Okay. And if I flip it over, this part I'm pretty sure is all red on top, black at bottom, and if you look at the left, and this one is the one on the right, where we have these flashing lights. So I think there's only one way to plug this in, so I guess the direction is correct. So that's it.